Hello, today we will be making salt out of ocean water I got from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina in the United States of America. So first you gotta get the pot on the stove. Well, my mom was watching me, so always make sure to have a parent if you turn on the stove or do any of that. So I'm pouring in the water. Yeah. And then if you don't want to watch the boiling process, skip to this time on the screen now. But if you do, then you can stick around. So, yeah, it just started almost. And it's starting to boil, but no, it's not starting to boil. But now it's I don't know, it's 165 maximum, but in other spots it's probably colder. So this is a little later, so now it's 185 max and 175 in the outer edges. As I told you, it's because the burner doesn't hit it all really well, and it focuses in one spot really a lot. So now this is it boiling, which is nice. Finally, it started boiling. It's about 205 degrees maybe, but boiling's 212, so I'll call it boiling. So yeah, it just goes down. And now it is boiling still, maybe simmering. And I'm just stirring to try and move it around and get that salt out. I'm just gonna extract all of that, but we can't yet because it's still gotta boil down. So now I'm just gonna stir it some more because I wanted to. I don't know why, I just did. And now it's boiling, and there's some pretty gross stuff. Ew. I think it'll boil out. But if it doesn't really matter. It would probably kill whatever that is. So still boiling. And now it's still boiling, as I said. And the gross stuff is getting more. There's just more gross stuff in there. And just spinning it around with the thing. Now, I'm just gonna stir it again. I don't know why I keep stirring it. I just want to. I just want to. And there's even more. Oh yeah, now there's salt. I just noticed that. And it's maybe 10 minutes in. No, 5, let's say. So now there's some more salt, which is good. So it's still boiling. That's really good. And I'm really glad that it's boiling and there's tons of salt on the sides. And yeah. Oh my goodness, it's almost all boiled. There's so much salt everywhere. Yay. Now, there's still gross stuff on the bottom that I could see. A lot more than before. But I don't think that'll be a problem, honestly. I don't think it'll be too much of a problem. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Yay, we're almost done. Can't wait to taste the salt. Alright, we're done. Time to scrape it off. Just scraping it off. Yeah, turn the burner off because you don't want to leave that running. gonna scrape it all into a pile just so we can get it into a bowl. Okay. And now I'm done scooping it all. Yay, bowl time. Now I'm getting a bowl. And I'm gonna slowly scoop it in so I don't spill it on the floor everywhere. Alright, that's scoop number 1. Alright, gathering scoop number 2. That was a small one compared to the other one. Okay, going in for scoop 3 now. And there we go. Come on, I just can't wait to taste it. Okay, scoop 4. And now scoop 5. Boom. Now that's what a regular bowl weighs. So 185, and let's see what our salt bowl weighs. 195. That's a gain of 10 grams of salt from 500 milliliters of water. So now it's time to taste it. That was actually not bad. So, thank you for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.